Listen and practice speaking skills. Hey, Jake. How's it going?
Hey, Emily. Not bad, just enjoying my coffee. How about you?
Same here. There is something so comforting about the smell of coffee on a rainy day, isn't there?
Absolutely. It's like a warm hug in a cup. So, what have you been up to lately?
Oh, the usual. Work, gym, trying to keep up with my hobbies. Speaking of which, I started painting again.
That's awesome. I always admired your artistic side. What are you painting?
Mostly landscapes and abstracts. It's therapeutic for me.
I can imagine. I've been meaning to pick up a hobby myself. Maybe I'll join you for a painting session sometime.
That would be fun. The more, the merrier. So, how's your new job going?
It's been hectic, but I'm learning a lot. The team is great, and the projects are challenging.
That's fantastic to hear. I knew you'd excel in your new role.
Thanks, Emily. Your support means a lot. So, have you made any plans for the weekend?
Not yet. I was thinking of maybe catching a movie or checking out that new restaurant downtown. What about you?
I'm meeting up with some old friends for a game night. It should be a blast.
Sounds like fun. Hey, did you hear about Sarah's engagement?
No way. That's incredible news. When did it happen?
Just last week. She's over the moon about it.
I'm so happy for her. She deserves all the happiness in the world.
Yeah, she does. So, speaking of relationships, have you met anyone interesting lately?
Not really. I've been focusing more on my career lately. But who knows what the future holds?
True. Love has a funny way of sneaking up on you when you least expect it.
Yeah, that's one way to put it. Hey, did I tell you about my trip to Europe last summer?
No, you didn't. How was it?
It was incredible. I visited Italy, France, and Spain. The food, the culture, the architecture, everything was amazing.
Wow, that sounds like a dream vacation. I've always wanted to travel to Europe.
You should definitely go someday. I'll even give you some recommendations.
That would be fantastic. So, speaking of travel, have you been anywhere interesting lately?
Not really. Just been busy with work. but I'm planning a trip to Thailand next year.
Thailand? That sounds incredible. I've heard so many good things about it.
Yeah, I can't wait to experience the beaches, the temples, and of course, the food.
Count me in for a foodie adventure. So, what else is new with you?
Not much, just trying to take life one day at a time. What about you?
Same here. Life is too short to stress about the little things.
Couldn't agree more. Hey, do you want to go for a walk after this?
Sure. I could use some fresh air.
Great. Let's finish our drinks and head out.
Sounds like a plan.
Good morning, John. How are you today?
Good morning, Mary. I'm doing well, thank you. And you?
I'm good too, thank you. It's such a beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, it is. The weather is perfect. Not too hot, not too cold.
Absolutely. By the way, I saw you gardening yesterday. Your garden looks lovely.
Thank you, Mary. Gardening is one of my hobbies. It's relaxing and rewarding.
I can see that. Your roses are beautiful. Do you have any tips for a beginner like me?
Of course, I'd be happy to share some tips. First, it's important to know your soil. Different plants thrive in different types of soil.
That's a great tip. I'll definitely keep that in mind. What else?
Watering is also crucial. But remember, overwatering is just as harmful as underwatering.
I see. Anything else?
Yes, one more thing. Patience is key in gardening. Plants need time to grow.
Thank you for the tips, John. I'll try to apply them in my garden.
You're welcome, Mary. I'm sure your garden will be beautiful.
I hope so. By the way, are you free this weekend? We're having a small get-together at our house.
That sounds lovely. Yes, I'm free this weekend. Thank you for the invitation.
You're welcome. We're looking forward to seeing you.
I'm looking forward to it too. See you then, Mary.
See you then, John. Have a great day.
You too, Mary. Have a great day.
Oh, before you go, I wanted to ask you something.
Sure, what is it?
I've been thinking about getting a pet. Do you have any advice?
Well, having a pet is a big responsibility. You need to make sure you have enough time and resources to take care of it.
That's true. I'll think about it. Thanks for the advice, John.
You're welcome, Mary. If you need any more advice, feel free to ask.
I will. Thanks, John. See you later.
See you later, Mary. Have a great day.